Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let's say praise and thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. On this happy occasion, let me, Alia Maulana, from the management class of 2023C, deliver a presentation entitled The Impact of Social Media on Interpersonal Relationship. Social media has transformed the way we communicate and interact with others, both positively and negatively impacting our interpersonal relationship. This presentation will explore the complex dynamics of how social media is reshaping modern relationships. The rise of social media, connecting the world. First, unprecedented connectivity. Social media platforms have enabled people across the globe to connect, share, and engage like never before. Second, digital relationship. Friendship and relationship are now forged and nurtured through online interaction as much as in-person interaction. Third, constant communication. The ubiquity of social media has led to an expectation of constant communication and availability. What What the positive impact? Strengthening long-distance relationship. First, bridging distance. Social media allows people in distant relationships to stay connected and maintain emotional intimacy. Second, sharing experience. Couple can share photos, videos, and updates, helping them feel involved in each other's lives. Increase Third, increase accessibility. Instant messaging and video calls make it easier to have meaningful conversation despite physical separation. What about negative impact? Decrease face-to-face interaction. First, reduce in-person time. Social media can lead to less quality time spent together as people become absorbed in their digital device. Second, lack of nonverbal cues. Online interaction, like the nuanced body language and facial expression, they are essential for meaningful communication. Third, diminished empathy. Screen-based interaction can make it harder to develop and maintain empathy and emotional connection. Social media and emotional well-being. Positive connection. First, positive positive connection. Social media can foster a sense of community and belonging, providing emotional support. Second, negative comparison. Constant exposure to idealized online personas can lead to feelings of inadequacy and low self-esteem. Third, addiction and isolation. Excessive social media use can create a cycle of addiction and withdrawal, leading to social isolation. How to balancing social media and real life connection? First, you can set boundaries, establish clear limits on social media, used to ensure a healthy balance within personal interaction. Second, you have to prioritize face-to-face. Make conscientious effort to engage in meaningful in-person conversation and activities with loved ones. Third, practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment and avoiding temptation to constantly check or post on social media. The role of social media in modern relationship. First, shared experience. Couples can document and share their lives together through social media, fostering a sense of connection. Second, increase transparency. Social media can promote open communication and deeper understanding between partners. Third, online intimacy. Some couples may rely on digital interaction to maintain emotional closeness, which can both help and hinder their relationship. Strategies for health social media engagement. First, set limits. Establish boundaries around social media use to prevent it from dominating your life. Second, prioritize in person. Make regular effort to spend quality time with friends and family without screen. Third, curate content. Be mindful of the accounts you follow and the content you engage with to avoid negative comparison. Fourth, foster mindfulness. Practice being present in the moment and avoid the huge constantly check social media. Then we close with the conclusion section. Social media has had profound impact on interpersonal relationships, both strengthening connection across distance and diminishing face-to-face interaction, while social media foster a sense of between online and offline a sense, I'm sorry. Then we close Then we close with the conclusion section. Social media has had a profound impact on interpersonal relationship, but strengthening connection across distance and diminishing face-to-face interaction. While social media fosters a sense of community, it also introduces challenges that requires careful navigation to maintain healthy balance between online and offline relationships. Moving around, establishing boundaries, prioritizing in-person connection, and practicing mindfulness will be key to harnessing the benefits of social media while mitigating its potential negative impact. I think that's all. The presentation I can convey. Please apologize if there are less and wrong word. I think that's all. I think that's all the presentation I can convey. Please apologize if there's are less and wrong words. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.